So, let's concentrate now on this slide. What does it say? So, can you see that action? That's an active picture, right? Yes, you can see it moving on the screen? Yeah? Okay. So let's talk about that. I want your thoughts on how meditation serves us and how we serve it. Thoughts, please.
It's like we're on the inside looking out and the outside looking in simultaneously.
It's like we're on the inside looking out and the outside looking in at the same time. It's a great observation. Okay? What else?
That what we do for ourselves, we do for all.
That what we do for ourselves, we do for all, for everyone. Yes, exactly. What else? What else?
So what Celia said is just radiating out.
Radiating out, yeah. Okay.
The power and the glory.
Ah, the power and the glory forever and ever, right? You become more aware of your immortality. You become more aware of the eternal part of your nature, the true nature of your soul. How can we serve our meditation? Obviously by doing it. However, becoming a master at it. Becoming a master at your meditation. And it doesn't have to be hours at end. In fact, at this stage of your development, do not meditate for hours. It is not good for you at this stage of your development. Okay? 20 minutes at a time. It's all you need right now. There will be points in time as you develop that you will be able to meditate for longer. Okay? So what else? How is it that it serves us and how is it that we serve it?
Every little bit that we serve God, serves the plan for Earth.
Every time we serve God, we serve the plan for the divine design, right? Our elder brothers will, for every step we take towards them, they will take 2. They are very invested in your success, very. Your brilliance, your divinity, your mastery is their agenda. And then they play the hand of the law of free will. Right?
It's like the picture that I have on my computer that deals with this energy. But everyone, all manner of entities behind us, infinitum. So that's why I'm saying the power and the glory is not for this alone,
Yes.
but for all things.
The power that you have access to is the one entity, the one being, the one aspect that you are an individual expression of, but we all are one. And as we start to develop and as we start to become more aware of that, you become aware of the one. In meditation, that's where you can plug into your true self. Okay? The identification with God, right? I am that. I am that. I am. Yep.
I see that as a total soul-infused personality.
Ah, there we go. That picture could be looked upon as an soul-infused personality.
And then the sun's behind it.
And then the sun is behind it. Okay? For those on the path, that is a very meaningful expression of your divinity, isn't it? Okay? To remember who you are. What's the rest go? Ian? You need to forget who they told you to be. And here we now step into, again, the voice of the silence. And what does that say, Holly?
There is a voice that doesn't use words. Listen.
And there we go, right again, right? Stillness comes from within you. It doesn't come from outside of you. The fastest way that you can get present ever is breathing.
It's an oak leaf.
And it's an oak leaf. Haha. Paradise is not a place, it's a state of consciousness. Okay? This is what we call our psychic energy field. Okay? And as you become more and more aware of the energy fields around you, you become more and more aware of other people's psychic energy fields. Okay? As you learn about energy and as you learn to consciously and conscientiously manipulate it, direct it, organize it, align it, you become more aware of your spiritual energy flow. This, as you can see, is a torus. Energy coming out of your head into the earth. And as you become more and more attuned to the One, you become plugged into the universal energy lattice. Okay? The universal energy lattice. And we want to give a bit of an adage to the wonderful, great guiding light of Master Kuthumi. I want to thank you very much for visiting us at retoolingtheworld.com, and thank you for allowing us to be of service in this stage of our evolutionary process.